Someone is asking a quickie here, Mr. Muhammad. Basically, a house that is still owe money. The person who bought it died. Can it become part of his inheritance? Can people inherit
Of
this
course,
house?
as long as the house is in my name and I had died. So we come to the property, it's in my name, they can sell it, but if they sell it, they must pay the debt before they distribute the wealth, the inheritance. Because we know that there are 4 things that must be done when a deceased die. And first of things is to prepare his body for burial. Second thing is to pay off his debts. Third thing is to execute his will. And the last thing is to distribute his inheritance. And this is combined in the Arabic word tadum. And Allah knows best.
Jazakallah khair, Sheikh.